Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 FS, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and simply for checking you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. But if you will decide to download the update, I highly recommend to switch to the Wi-Fi so we can avoid some charges. So we have to start with opening the settings. And here, scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Moreover, at the top, you will have this information if you've got the update pending, so you won't miss the opportunity for sure. And you've got also this red dot next to the System and Update. However, let's simply tap on it and then tap on System and Update. Software update. And basically, after entering, your device will immediately check for available updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. The first one is where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download. So basically, it will show you the information that you're fine, you're good to go, and you don't need to download anything. And here we've got the second one where we've got the update available. So our device will show us the information, what has been fixed, what has been added, what's new, etc. So as you can see in this one, we've got quite a lot of things. So all we have to do is to simply tap on download and install. And your device will basically do everything automatically. You don't have to worry about anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.